Hello, welcome back to the basement where I am pondering where I'm at. This whole record player connector thingy wingy thing. Oh no, now records are falling. Okay, so here we have a bundle of cables. So this mess, these two cables come out of the record player. They do. Alright, where? Okay. If I put that on there, which I kind of did before, and then I go up here. Okay. So here is the record player. Here, this goes to the speaker. This goes to this wire that has these input things. Aha. All right, so this is acting as a connector thing. So I'm thinking now that maybe, because I think this is all mono, if I connect this to this, that it is possible, using this weird gizmo setup. I'm turning on the speakers. Oh, they're humming. I'm not sure if that's a good sign or not. And then I'm going to move this over here and tell it to go down and see if we hear anything. And so far, we do not hear anything. So let us regroup here. See, even though these connectors are the same, it may not be the same, if you know what I mean. So, I'm hearing a little funny noise. See, this one here, it has two. Now it has three sections. That one has three. Alright, let's just see here. I'm going to turn the monitor on. Now, where am I hearing? I'm hearing buzzing. Okay, well, obviously, I'm still getting sound. Out of the monitor. Well, that sounds alright. Okay, so we're back to the same setup we have, and now we have this adapter that I thought would be good. It may be that if I found some gender bender adapter thingies, that maybe this would work, and maybe it wouldn't. Alright, I'm going to turn off the monitor and take this out of here. See, because basically, here, I have these cables coming out, and these cables that I would like to have connected, but they won't. So if I take that out of there, and I put that in there, am I going to get anything? Except for static. I am not. This is very strange, because this is a 2 into 1, and I would think it would be taking this signal, putting it into here, or maybe it doesn't go that way. Okay, so ha, you think it would join them. If it joins them, it joins them. Maybe? Okay, I think what I need to do now is look for some gender bender things, and then maybe, possibly, maybe this would work. So I guess for the moment, I will turn things off. I will lift the arm and move it over. So it shuts off. Put it back over here. And I'll say, oh well, we tried. I will try something else. Because I do have bunches and bunches of records I'd like to listen to and check out, especially, I was not aware that Red Fox, I mean, I just saw him, I guess, near the end of his career on Saturn and Son. I didn't know he was the side splitter and had all these records and things. Like this record is from, let me think, I don't see when it's from. I still don't see. Anyway, I think it's from the 50s, because certainly he looks a whole lot younger than when I saw him on that show. So, other outstanding due to long playing albums. Interesting. A full range, high fidelity recording. Anyway, alright, well, my experiment so far has failed. It may be what I should really do instead of trying to jury rig something, or Mickey Mouse something, or something of that nature. Although I would like to do here is to take the record player upstairs and connect it to, yes, it's called a stereo. See what's what. I'm just thinking, wondering, pondering, did I have any other adapter cables here that I haven't found? And I think the answer is no, it is not to be. So I'll look for gender bender. Now, see here, like a thing like this, I keep like if it's joining these two where it gives them an output. If I have things going in, they should join, I think. Anyway, I guess we'll find out. Or I guess the other thing I can look for is a dual wired adapter thing that would let me take the output, which would be two RCA jacks, and then switch them over to the male version of, no, female version of this, so I could just plug in or something. Anyway, as I say, it was a good thought. It was a good try. But we're not there yet. But one thing I will do, because I finally unpacked this after I don't know how many years, I'll take this to the recycling. So, stay tuned. I'm going to go upstairs and see what I can find. And as I say, maybe that means I just need to move everything upstairs and carry on down here with other things. Perhaps. Anyway, thanks for being here. Have a lovely, lovely day. And we'll see you again. Back here in the basement where the decluttering is endless. Bye for now.